What people don't know about this facility is that it has already served more than 1,700 people since its opening last year, April.
Here at Mvita Jitume Digital Hub, we offer several courses kama digital literacy, AI, cybersecurity, financial literacy, career guidance, and mentorship program. Kuna basic na advanced where they take 2 months.
My main goal of this digital hub is to ensure Mvita community is part of the new digital world.
Kuna wanafunzi takriban 40 ambao already wako kazi na over 400 students ambao wanafanya kazi online.
Currently, we have a student in Majengo Mvita constituency who earns a living working online for a company in Germany.
Tuko na 50 computers whereby we want to add more so that we can capture more students.
Na wahimiza vijana wa Mvita mjitokeze kwa wingi, hii ICT hub ni yenu.